welcome to the Culture Convo podcast, the upcoming of greatness. Dango.
Molweni bahlali. Molweni. Igama lami ndinguJack. Yeah, I'm pretty bad news, sad news rather. So due to izinto that we can't like really reveal to abantu right now, I've come to a decision of leaving the Culture Convo network because of some certain things. And also ke ngoku ozinto ezinjalo ngezinye izinto ezenza abantu ngabone and post about the network, about the podcast and everything, man. Ndidiniwe. But psych. But psych. Ayo, ladies and gents, boys and girls, know who it is. That's one by different friends. Damn.
Yes, Jack.
And you're back on Culture Convo podcast on Sundays on YouTube at 6 p.m. And I'm not alone. Jenges, I am here with
Sinovuyo Messenger, the problematic mom, the only with plenty of
Ginger.
guys. Bibi baby.
Oh, guys, hey guys, it's Miss B, the sweetest honey bee, and I'm the sweetest one in the beehive. Of course, I get the
I'm she the son. Oh,
heart in namhlanje.
Yes. Hlekazi, long time no see.
the intro yakhe.
Intro.
Intro.
Sabo uziphekile?
Hayi izande pheke.
Ezinga.
Ladies and gents, boys and girls,
We are back.
we are back with Ugaba.
GABA.
Indoda enemilingo. Indoda enesepa eyenza amawolo.
Amawololo.
Hayi boda ofana network.
Hey, hello guys. We are back, and also, man, we are on 400 subscribers. 400 subscribers. Yeah.
And
So,
please note, it's 10 days of subscribing. Iyaphela on the 20th, so keep subscribing so as to win the cool giveaways. Guys, you have a chance to win.
yeah.
A trip to Kwamoko. Uhamba Nate. Hello.
Just
Hello.
imagine.
Hello.
New Sumsika driver.
So yeah, man. I would like to thank each and everyone that participated in
10 days of
10 days of subscription, because it's not only those who entered the competition that got about to actually subscribe.
Only Nabanya.
Abanye they research post. I mean, it's posted on on WhatsApp, Facebook, and so on.
Yeah.
And also, yeah, man. So to be pela 10 days of subscription. Now we are counting down to Amok.
Yes. Ingaphela. Ingafika 20.
Yo. Kumkiwe.
Meaning insuku ziphelile.
Next week.
Insuku
We're
ziphelile.
there.
Next week.
Zihambile.
Next week.
Next week.
Ngandwane ni don't date.
3rd to 6 ka April.
Oh la 3 days.
Yeah. So make sure everyone. Oh, so just be aware ukuthi you will see new faces Omoko. That will be with us, presenting with us, podcasting with us. Yonke la team nje into ezinca.
Ningo-2.
Yeah.
Ben bawela ke yazi sithi surprise Jackie.
Azabaxelela amagama.
Ewe, because kwayinto ye-new faces ngesingabaxelela.
But it's fine, you know. Yeah.
But bazobona man guys, bazobona. And also
Bazobona.
I personally I'll be rocking this t-shirt here, Culture Convo Con. And that's abanye bahlali. But na personal. Personal, I'll be wearing my t-shirt. So make sure now you get yours today.
Yes.
Young girl.
Plus, if you do subscribe, guys, please note.
Yeah.
A Jackway t-shirts and a Kaya Kulu sweater is up for grabs.
Yes.
So don't forget, please.
Yes. Otherwise, ni right.
Hi.
Ka.
Asiqale kuye ke.
Yena mntu.
How are you?
How are you?
What are you?
Nikindende.
Ngakani.
No.
Guys.
Soze. Never ndisoze.
Soze puta.
Otherwise nandi grand bra.
Yeah.
Life ne ups and downs zakhe, but yeah.
So, yabona ke waphosana la episode sasibuya ngayo. ba unyaka omtsha unjani. So unyaka omtsha Gaba.
Happy New Year, Gaba.
Happy Valentine's Day Gaba.
Hey,
Hayini.
Happy soon to be Human Rights Day.
Happy belated birthday,
Happy
Gaba.
belated
Zininzi.
birthday.
Ungutata olahlekileyo.
Kasimbone. Merry
Christmas.
Christmas.
Like 16 Kasimbone.
Happy Day of Reconciliation.
nakuni guys hayibo into ezingaka
Kasimbone nge-heritage day. Like,
Heritage Day.
heritage.
Wayengekho.
samgqibela ukuthi mthayi.
It was by heritage day nawe nomalume.
Oh yeah, ndandingekho.
Nami ngangekho kanti.
Wawungekho.
Hayi change.
Into ezininzi abubusy guys
Abantu bambalwa. And I was speaking about it izinto ezininzi. Our favorite. And umntu mention on our podcast,
Wow.
Mr. Bongani Zweni has been trending on Facebook for the past 3 days.
3 days and all for
3
the
days,
wrong.
all for the wrong reasons. And so it fell out. So he sent, he posted a picture of him.
No, Qali up. He posted a picture
Nditsho kaloku nam.
of him
Nditsho.
receiving a court order, not leyo bethu.
Oh.
Oh.
Ukhe
Kusukela
wabizwa
lapho kanti.
ecourt yena umjida waposta ba uyabizwa ecourt ntontoni aziba kwenzeke ntoni. Sorry, there's a sound ephambeneyo ke kule nto yam. But ke so he got a picture wayithumela and then ke ngokucaba but kanga respond back as to ba why bebiziwe kwathini and then it was this one besiyibona of him uposta screenshot se court case case number ntontoni naye ke enengongoma esithi ubethelwe uChicks. Now it said so and so what he know
Iman uChicks. Lo wemazinga.
naba uChicks ulwabaziwe okanye uChicks umntu. There could also be umntu onguChicks just because nickname yakhe.
Sepola Park.
Sepola Park but
Okay.
umntu anganguChicks.
Okay.
Now, this said so and so said, no, we did not. I think Geba uya retaliate aklanba ebeti way of case against that somebody. Uti no, but I didn't hate you for no goddamn reason. This is what you did. Posted a
CCTV
video.
No lie.
Of
yakwamancane.
Ebholeni.
Bakhalazela abantu ba kudala thina sifuna i-CCTV footage but iphume njani kuwe? Kulo mntu.
What if he's a man of resources? Then is amqabela.
Yes.
Ndayifumana mi CCTV ndibelwe ikhadi ethaveni.
Hey and hey.
But ndayifumana ndambona nomuntu ofube ikhadi lami.
Hamba Satan. So it's a
But he
Yes.
also replied under that video and said this footage short. Apparently they did something to provoke him
because
in
we
order.
can't just nje.
But other comments of someone, other people saying, no, when you see like Kusel.
Yeah.
People know him as a very longo person.
Yeah. So imbi kanjalo. Omna what I want to
It was Munchita Sasanum congratulate him was from a walk to here to Congo.
Yeah.
As by Inesa Kakanjalo was his tent.
I just want to focus on the point of Ilenduka.
Hey, walk.
All right.
I got a guys.
Now we walk from here to King. Imagine going from East London to East London. So his tent has got colors.
Like guys, try to play walk.
Adiazi. Nandiveke kuthiwa walk
What if you
completed.
call up at Timbaza?
Ngiqala beDimbaza. Because the nigga man bemane poster.
So bambi imini yonke.
Bemane poster nendlela zoba ebebaleka and stuff, just training for the whole walk thingy. Bebaleka 5 kilometers kwathini kwathini. So kuda itrain umjida.
Zikhona ipeaks ke ngokuze walk le from here to
I did not.
I only saw when he got to King Lobster. I do not know to East London.
Kubani who was keeping track of the match, the thingy, the whole thingy.
I do not know.
Yeah.
He was keeping the track of the whole
Okay,
thing.
what if we call it takes?
Nana impossible nyane guys.
Whatever quality it takes for there is a king. Like airport yase Mount at the lab fikile go.
I will not answer it so that I do not know.
But ndiyafuna nam hayi but bonganika sinike chance sibonile umnikile omnye ubhuti chance on a podcast. Cela usinike nathi chance. Oh, there's another podcast eDimbaza nisiva njani? Progress nisiva njani? Hayi betlana phendlani ninemilomo.
What can I say? No,
That's fine.
Into entle yakotshwa. Ndikhula ngalo mazwi mba hayi into entle yakotshwa mntana.
Usini wena sange. Ukwi-podcast eDimbaza.
Podcasts.
Who's it?
Yes,
Is it who's it? Is it what?
I don't know.
Who's it? Kambani.
Andanoyazi.
Yeah, who's it? Gamba.
Who's it?
Ba?
Kambani. Ubhuti Menzi, the filmmaker.
Oh.
Really? You filmmaker?
A filmmaker. But
No, he's a filmmaker.
I thought you DJ mna.
Yeah, he's a DJ, but he's more invested in the arts.
Oh.
Yeah, because I remember Malmeka Ayolile who wanted to be involved most windows at Dimbaza documentary.
Oh yeah.
He also wanted to work with them, but I think it's about a clash of schedules, we'll say.
Oh.
Yeah.
But samhalalisela.
Oh, Masaloko DJ wena.
Yeah.
Not Tuga, he's a DJ. I knew him as a filmmaker and an actor,
And a photographer
and
too.
photographer. Okay, hi. Masiya ke photography on kubekisa. The story.
I know.
Hayi bo.
The story. I on kubekisa. But okay, guys, honest reviews podcast. Tom.
Yes.
So bela kubonganiswe.
Yes,
Uziva njani ku podcast eDimbaza?
It is.
Culture con for podcast.
It is good. It is good. At least
You are
so at least everyone. So at least we're going to we will be able to capture everything that is happening at Dimbaza in different aspects and
In
different views
aspects, yeah.
with different audience. And also you just can't be entitled to the idea because you can't just protect the idea that you had. Because anyone, when the idea is outside, anyone can actually execute the idea, and it is fine for Abantu to actually learn something from what you started, and actually Abantu can actually get inspired. It is good. It is. I really congratulate them.
Noticed in there,
It's the content of the iskhua. That he said what you started, but it's okay. Let's move on, Maji. Let's move on.
So it is. I congratulate them. All right.
Congratulations, Putwenzi.
I'm push. It is beautiful. That was a Putbongan Betunan.
But then, but
Yes. I want to highlight how bad publicity can ruin your reputation.
But bad publicity is good publicity.
Ichi,
Ja.
our friend. Someone is. But I'm just. But I'm just stating for example, for Umdu that is in his position, publicity engineer video engineer could ruin his reputation because he is well known as Umdu that is actually uplifting it Dimbaza. That is actually into njalo. No, like I mean like umnonza izinto ezi right.
Okay, but nakuba the Teresa ukhona ungenzi kumzekelo ngaye nje.
It's fine.
Wow, uThixo kaloku uThixo kangeni kula ndawo abhaqwe kuyo yena. Yebo.
So akafani.
And how are you pushing a narrative of anti-drug and substance abuse yet you venture into such places and consume such substances? But it's okay. It's a question for another day. I get caught up on us. So I'm
and actually it's fine. That's fine. It's fine.
Let's go.
Akathandi ngotabonga.
It's fine.
And Ubudwake told me, but Ubudwako has some faults. But it's him not being able to take constructive criticism. Yeah, now all criticism is criticism. Nobody it's positive, nobody it's negative. Uyalwa. Hence there's comments up higher. If you did look through as a that picture of his ebeyipostile, there's a guy there who said awunokwazi ukwenza izinto zenzayo like i-reform work and then continue to post about it because internet drugs phakathi is a sensitive issue and anyone and everyone will try by all means to ruin whatever you're trying to build. Even SAAP, SAPS, no SANDF, don't post about okay, this is what I've achieved in Bambe Obani drugs. Obani. You don't do that as a anti-drug activist. You keep your work. You don't actually post and say because it makes you a target. Yeah. But he was not even able to take that criticism. He turned it into something it was not, of which he was fighting. Advice. And abantu abaninzi phayana, if you did switch like Jay ujonge kweza comments, but into enye jomela lokho umsebenzi wakho wenzayo wena usensitive. Unabantu abaphakathi kukho amapolisa aphakathi nawo kwi-drugs angathandiyo kuba kukho umuntu onje ngawo olwalento, so nabo bazawuthumela iilekhi zabo ekuse khayo rafisha nje laa mntu yaniphazamisa. Yebo, try to do your work but do it in silence. Suposter when you live through social media and ndibavile mna but yena he was fighting. So ilona ndichoyo kudu wakho, kudos to you and all of that, but hi, the great.
Sharp that.
Continue, my G.
Yes.
Uzaba targeted Jack. Usukumba bra because
targeted.
Because kaloku kukho abantu esentsho ndingaleqwa tizapha. Kukho abantu abaphetheyo kwezi ndawo asebenza kuzo zathi umuntu no lo mjito uphazamisa operation yami
Of course.
He makes a big come through, like a big breakthrough ephola paka kuthiwe mhlambe there was into ene-drugs phakathi phayana ayifumane apho umthombo wayo. Uzayiposta mosba so we were able to clean up isithathu esithile ebesine-drugs no.
Damn.
Yebo. That's why besithi lapho uthi namapolisa even the hawks, they don't post. They just come through and just do their job in
content.
Then kuba kwezo activities involve amapolisa, hawks, SANDF yonke lando. Of which yena right activities like don't land benza break dancing, don't yonke lando ibizela abantwana. Yebo. And yena he has a mistake of trying to help everyone. Whereas he was nganceda abantu abayi-5 and that should be okay kuwe. Sufuna unceda the masses. Focus kwabantu bafuna uncedo. Uchilo asachanda kula comment the real besi posted about the when do you try to stop the like changing situation ekas. Wathi even if you help one girl wenza umzekelo ngo Aurora rise women rise for women.
Yeah.
But even if they help one girl in a year, kubo, that's okay. They're not trying to help everyone. Because change doesn't happen overnight. So now you no funda from such people aba implement change but don't really post back kwathing. Yena makazame uthi live less on social media and live more in real life. Anceda abantu abafuna uncedwa. To call it a day. Phele
Hey, advice. Yeah. Moving forward, Osima is leaving podcast and chill network. Meaning she's leaving Spreading. She's stepping down from being the host of Spreading Humors. How do you guys feel about that?
Uza replace one band because I feel like it
Uza replace one last season.
Really?
Yeah?
Replace one last season.
What?
Hi. Kuhle.
What replace one last season?
Kuhle. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yo.
Bro, Nagula Sizo is entertaining. He is much funny. I'm not saying Usima is not funny. Don't take me wrong. Usima is funny. I even
Don't
follow
take
her.
me wrong.
I take it wrong. But Usula Sizo is funny. So yeah.
That's a man.
Uzawuvana mos nozile. No.
Yeah. Combination.
But uzawucaca Usima kekho.
Yeah.
Because kaloku Usima ngulo. Yeah.
And actually, so so I feel like everyone is stepping out of his into stile, you know. And also I feel like it's something that is meant to be. Maybe someday you might not see Bianca on the screen. Might not see, no. As you must see because of cool and stuff.
Yeah,
that's where I want to go though. Why is it always that I have to grow out of this platform was not engaging enough for their growth? Okay, ikona a better prospect ekhoyo in their future. Whereas we are moving on to greener pastures.
I feel like sometimes, most of the time, abantu bafuna ba independent. For example, let's take PNC for example. PNC umpumile kulenduka by the kayeka my podcast. Bane podcast yabo. So they wanted to have something yabo bona young tall. Hence ke ngoku abantu they prefer starting izinto zabe because whatever happens to the network banga affected.
Okay. But yeah, we're true. Congratulations to congratulations okanye?
Yeah, congratulations kuye good luck.
Good luck. Well wishes. Well wishes kuye Osima man. Hope she continues being funny ku TikTok.
Yeah.
Zingatunqabile ku TikTok.
Yeah, John.
That alapuka.
Yeah, John
John ba?
Nenye ntwana phe ngayazi. Yajola kodwa.
As long as not Jolino goes.
Oh.
I swear.
But also
Yeah.
so yeah, but yeah, it's a matter for abantu bayakhula honestly speaking, which reminds me of ingoma that is trending on TikTok. Many people are doing open verse yayo ka Timi, which is Hosh Mizuzu, yes. Because Ochrotbom bani kamela mjita ban Ochrotbom actor from Fetal said Prince
No lie.
no Roresang and other guys did a video bekulela ngoma about Hosh Mizuzu.
Sukoka! Hi TV! Wow!
Hi TV. No boy, you've made it.
But akalo para musifuna number kaZuzu.
Oh, ngathi nglozuzu.
Ayibo.
So so it's a matter of and actually abantu abaninzi they are doing open verse of that song, and it is actually nice to see abantu basedimbaza.
Into lena ingaviwayo kula verse kaGwapha.
Ayivakali tata.
Uba uyayiva wena you can explain to us. Asiyazi thina.
Kudala ndiva kukhalwa ngalonto but andiyazi cacile I have to listen to the song.
The song.
Uthini akazukurobha ne but uyakholwa sizozithathela mna.
Like what the fuck?
Sizithathela mna.
It's on prayer.
Because if vibe is more aggressive and
Uyaba.
she's up.
Anzokwenza ndizapha. You know?
So woku yena drop tata.
No, but lipara no lena I feel like bezama uba lipara elinice yabo.
But kaloku la voice.
Hayi nice. Show me. Akhona amapara nje.
Hayi.
Gwapha.
Wait.
Guys ayini.
Alabona. Ndamthanda umjita.
No, don't
But
do this.
I feel like he didn't perform well, Glavis.
Hayi
Kaloku
guys.
ivese jealous.
Right ne?
Yi-voice yakhe
Voice
lengxaki.
yakhe.
But hayibo guys.
Delivery yakhe andizozithathela mna. Like uzawuthi
Kaloku uzama uba
It's
lipara
on prayer.
thobele nice. You know?
It's on prayer.
lipara limofi.
Clock it, para. Clock it. Clock.
Sapha nana.
Chappy, Sapa by F, Sapa Chomi.
Sapha sithanda.
Imagine negative like come your mom.
I bet.
Kusake. Asonde kwenzela sesithanda sami so.
You can never say nana ngumjita. Uthi nana. You can never say nana kumnyumjita umjita nana.
Chomi yaloku kaniphile.
Okanye ufuna la para limo feeling nansi ngafuna ulibiza.
Oh.
Owayo Chomi, you know? Akalo para li nice ke yini.
But lipara at the end of the
But
day.
akalo limo fi but alikho nice.
Uthetha njani xa ithetha?
Bayindoda.
Oh, but kaloku setangeni ke ukuthi naliza uthi Chom
What's in prayer?
khandibaleke le take yakho nethandile Oster yakho and
ucanza mthatha serious ke ngoku
like Chom ndiyayifuna mina le Oster yakho
Soyithina ngosiyana ngavelela
anokwazi nomthatha serious
abe serious nje hayibo Chom ndi serious khuphi imela yo abo Chom ndi serious awuzophuma nyaki ngakho ndizathinga
But also, I just it's a matter of the new gen is growing.
It's taking on.
It's taking over.
It's taking over.
Even though Cheese on his songs, he's doing good on Spotify.
Yeah.
I was Nix, but I do feel like social media has ruined is ruining the generation that is coming. I did once upon a time that there's a thing that I feel like is going to happen, which is mental apartheid, and the AI. Personally, I feel like it's the start of yona, because now it is easier for abantwana to use no matter to actually search izinto zesikolo. Now ingqondo yabo bayibeka phi emthunzini.
Yeah.
They use AI or Meta.
Wena check uthetha AI ka Meta. Dinike abantwana assignment economics. Daboma yonke lento. Umuntu akasasebenza ngane yakhe general knowledge or at least textbook. Kuvele ifoto etata.
Test.
Kuyascan.
Iscanwe Meta iphendula ChatGPT. Did brother wami undixelela nge AI engigama layo nguClaude noma nguClaude or something enye engukimi. I was like, why are you so invested in AI? What's going on? You do accounting. Accounting needs mental strength that if you ingi accounting. When uzawucingelwa ngumeta ngoJune uzawo. ngoJune uzazibona.
And I'm telling you, it's ruining the future. Honestly speaking, it's
instead
ruining.
Of helping bona
Bona,
it's just giving way too many too much information. Then they feel lazy but usayindenzele nje le way. Ikona lecaba ibifota wayifota homework yakhe accounting, and then it was like, I'm not going to do this for you but I can help you. And I was like, this big farmer yenjobo not ba umntana ayifote ogqiba ivele imnike yonke answer. And I don't blame AI, I blame the kid for not trying. At least kama ke ndibhude ngokwam because ixesha
sometimes zobhuda ngokwakho
ewe kuyafundisa kwenzela uyazi ba I did this mistake last time, I'm not going to do it again because ndibona ba last time ndandenze olu hlobo ndizakwenza olu hlobo ngoku. So thina grade 10 grade 11 grade 12 we didn't have AI, you only had Google. And uGoogle akakuniki no ukukhangela scan through but uGoogle ukunika into esabu solution cha izawunceda lento uyifunayo uzibalele uyazibala koyibhala uyabhala but abantwana
so it's really
benzela simple grade nyani man simple grade
too lazy
na education njengoba
and ke ngoku abafuni nozisimplifyela izinto yabo abafuni nozisimplifyela at least xa uzasimplifyela iyakwazi ungena
khona la maths app khona la maths app X.
What is it called kanene?
I think yayikhona nakwelethu ixesha but you had to pay it
dilibele
answers equation bengathi yakusolvela but uzazisolvela nika till a certain step
then
okanye ikuxelela ba isolve njani but ndibone eyakhe ngathi bhatel hayi thatha umkhuphelela yonke
just imagine
amnika yonke njalo thatha ngokukhuphela iboy yami ndaqona sharp kodwa ke shem in terms and blame apha kwi-maths ke hayi ke uyazipractice uyazichebelezela but in terms of ezinye phaya kule ndawo kulo mhlaba ndikuwo wow kuzaba nzima kuzaba nzima ngoJune kuzaba nzima ngoJune xa kuthiwa bhala what are needs, what are wants, what are scarce resources.
Abanye bangixelela ba madam into yakho hayi sithe meta ndiyazazi English zenu ngokuthi ndifunde ngomzuzu
nam ndibonile dathi hayi ndikupasa nawe ukhona mnye pha eklasini ndathi kupasa nawe
hayi Bianca yazi be right ngoba ithethwa ngeEnglish because nyani ayibona English ka Google ayibona English English
hayi shamdani
but ngoku xa uzawuthi hayi bono at least
ayibona kodwa nyani
but at least
hayi khona la
Chomi khona la.
Ewe but ikhona. Yeah, ikhona. Asizuyibaleka. But uBianca benganyanzelekanga
cha. To their faces. Kalo thukile, I was like, now.
Oh.
Wow.
Soze.
You know sometimes abanye miss xa bekhuze pe Instagram, hey ubani awuchobelezile. Ndiqonde.
It is fine.
It's fine.
It is fine.
Sharp, ne?
Sharp.
You are shame.
Abaphela beyikrobela ke ngoku.
Ba.
Hayi kukho le meta.
Kukho umeta kukho ChatGPT kukho use
Lo
names.
meta.
Zininzi guys.
Zininzi.
Kukho no Samsung has Gemini. Zininzi.
Ininzi man. Ininzi man. AI ekho.
Yes.
AI ekho.
But they all do the same job. Kuwe buzikhethela ombi. Enye yakwazi uthetha nje nayo hlobo uyicommand.
Andindigobela kuyo laa nto. Ndithi ubaba undimi ubuzawuthini.
Le nto
yakwazi
uyibuza
uthetha
brother
nayo.
like abantu abathetha ne-AI kuye kuthini? Kusube kuthini?
Ngiyancokola bayithi shit I have a good day.
Kuthini phayana?
Ngiqonda uba okay.
Kwankomo afana sisengqondi thethe ngabana emetha.
Like nincokola iba ngathi human nayo.
Yeah, ngithi how are you?
Athi nathi right.
Yabona ngelishwa xa ndisithi how mhlawumbe indibuza impilo ndibuze back ithi hayi kaloku mna ndingomntu. So ndithi it's fine but unjani? Une feelings ungena feelings.
Iyakunderstand laa nto shem.
Ithi ntombi ithi Messi andinazi feelings.
Yo.
Ndazi negama andinazi.
Ungangena nakumetha.
Ndithi okay na kumgo. Ungathini bunoba hayi ndithi la.
Akadvise or phola phetlak. Ndanceda ndikonye situationship. Yandinceda metha. Man ndiphume kulonto. Yaqala yanika i-method of you know you can do this, you can do this, you can do this. Now I'm free. I am happy.
But ayizuhlelisa benze.
Leliqhomza one. Xa inhliziyo ithetha over.
When I'm sad and also naxa ndonwabile yabona ngiqonde you know what? Yeah man.
Aninazichomi ne?
Sinazi ichomi
We
but
do have
kaloku
friends.
But there are some
Bianca.
things of welcome no what no I think isichomi le into.
Yeah.
Ke ncokola yeah.
Ewe.
Then you uqonde no ukhona umetha. Uzawuthetha noKini okanye uClaude. Wow.
Some not ungandivika kubi. Sometimes ukubhetha ku right uyithethe no matter ne because once uyithethe nenye ichomi engenguwe umzekelo. Hayi uzayiva komnye umuntu.
Oh. Okay, so sibaleka lonto. Uyoba indaba zihambe.
Sometimes.
Oh.
Okanye mhlawumbe uchazele mhlawumbe ukhazini wakho. Uyive seyithethwa ifamily yonke ke ngoku.
Uncingise into.
Ayiseyinzulu ke. Ayiseyinzulu.
Ngibone izolo ndibone i-comment omnye umuntu uthi ayisisebhizi thina sixoxeleni ba umakhulu mithiswe ngubani.
Hayi.
Hey wena. Nani.
Andiyazi
Family honestly.
Uthi hayibo. Andazi bese nonyani la mntu ebe content yanona but the comment uthi hey wena sisebhizi sifuna ubona umakhulu mithiswe ngubani. I was like hayibo. Wena nina like
Manyala.
Sifuna ngikhupha izinto.
Amanyala.
But ibhlungu into ba uthi uthetha no okay on a serious note girl. Sithi ibhlungu into uthi ndithetha no Jack ndiyazi uJack ngumzala. Phithi ngokwini yami ndibona kwi family group kuthiwa eBianca check in. Xa kusa check in ngoku wonke umuntu ufuneka check in bafuthi bathumele za emojis green zingu zi-tick ba wonke umuntu check in kanye vele kube video call kuthiwe si family se worried ngawo si consent ngawo kwenzeka ntoni ngawo
Hayi man.
Kosolo kunezigigaba.
Okukhona nayicingayo kungoku.
I feel like it's deep.
So okay guys, Mr. Jack upper. Oh, apologies. Mr. Jack had to leave promptly because he has a delivery waiting for him. So we're gonna continue the rest of the episode without him. Otherwise, apologies. Back to the situation culture he was speaking about. Situationship ndondoni because uthi AI yamnceda ku situationship. I still want to know ba incede njani ku situationship.
Explainile nje.
But kaloku uthi uthethe nayo. Ingase ndive as methods specifically.
Noba uthe
kangabe specific.
Kangabe specific.
Inoba yena ebekhetha ne. Qha waqonda hey benthe situationship le. Mhlambi lo muntu amkhethelayo umuntu wakhe, you know.
Dia apho ke ngoku. Wait, situationship yakwazi ubani? Because situationship nacho me ndoba sizichomi but senza what lovers do
Yeah.
without putting a label on it.
Yenzeka kanjalo.
But unomntu?
Mhlambi nothumba inamntu nawo na.
How?
So miyakwazeka kuba situation. Mhlambi mina ndibe busy nosange nomuntu. Yebo.
Situationship like.
That's a situation.
Aren't you the side chick?
No.
You take Wednesday, Thursday,
Oh, iside chick.
then just send them my way.
Oh, iside chick.
We say chick chop.
Uyiside nika.
Yeah. Yeah. Injalo.
Uyiside nika la.
Yeah, injalo.
Why is that chick? A situationship only happens if you guys aren't dating anyone exclusively,
Yeah.
but
That's
Nina,
a
na in cahoots, ematrasin. Yeah, you're shagging.
Yeah.
So, Lenon Ditoyo, what is this situationship culture, and what do you guys think by Enzo and Tony? Ba, no man, Tiafuna man, Msangwan, Sbenga bantu, so you too. And phone man at the same time.
No, this is very weird.
Yeah, but you don't lend. What is that? Why don't you guys just jump into the relationship?
Aye.
See what it takes you. If you sleepy,
You know, sometimes relationships
think.
are a situationship.
Yeah.
Okay,
Ziyakwazi ukuphuma
nakana
i-relationship,
weird.
situationship. Nibe ku-situationship for months. Hey, when I was often,
Sangwana, any comments? Uyalila lo this side. Guys, I'm related to having a situationship.
Situationships.
I think kuwe zidalwa yintoni, because everyone has their type of thing where you're not like relationship worthy, but I can still keep you around. Because ngathi icho londo kum as a situationship. But no man, omhle no potye. Cha ikhona lento.
Relationship, yeah.
Not for a relationship. Ikhona lento yakho indenza ngiqonde. Not now. Not now.
not now. Ndiyacinga ngokuba okay, yo. Listen.
So bungayiboni kule ego.
Ndiyibona ngokuba.
So bathi ndacinga ngawala.
Thini?
Thank you.
Bathi no. Sometimes elagama litaka gqithi kungiba. You know what time man? Sikrendo lihlobo.
Okay.
Hake ndiyacinga umntana abantu mhlawumbe ucinga yes sis Bianca.
I think like a man most of my days. So it's like I'm viewing this at a man's perspective. But because Machita any guy would kill to have a relationship with a beautiful girl, banging body, Hennessy body, in fact. Yeah, but no man, the body is Hennessy. Because tea is too weak, you know?
Yeah.
The body is Hennessy. So I gone no, I won't know. Someone I try gonna I body. This is a podcast.
Yeah, it's 100 out of 10.
I'm studio. So it happens ke ngokuba abe ku situationship. Why? Usifike nini?
Mhlambi yazi no.
Okanye mhlambe personality yakhe le off.
Uyawuba ku situationship nosange mhlambe akakho ready for a relationship. Mhlambe bephuma kulo break up.
Oh, then so usange rebound. Wow.
No, not by rebound. No.
I kaloku xa uthi fresh out of a relationship.
Yazi abafana don't give a shit. Xa usithi no man. Tipo akuyenzima but avelathi no, it's fine. Wazala
Ege, maske sibe from a man's perspective. Uthini wena my F.
Jonga aba imani boyfriend. Akonida yazi.
Samncedisa. Ndiyabona masibethe sayi.
Mna ndizawuthethela mna.
Wethethela wena mntana. Xa uyazi uba urapper amajita. Because akho majita. If uJake bekhona obviously besibiza ba 2 against 2.
Amna andizenze zonto mna guys.
Yazi
Hayi is a situationship nento.
So when you just in a relationship every time.
Not every time. No, not every time.
Okay.
But
Okay.
zabe kanjani?
Ndiyamvana. Ndimve kakuhle.
Zabe kanjani? Iyakwazi apho. Let's say nenza into. But ke nivumelane that you won't give it a name.
That's a
That's
situation.
No, what?
Is it friends with benefits?
okay. Oh.
There's
No, you
also
call it-
that.
You
Oh,
call
yeah.
it a situationship, friends with benefits.
I wouldn't call it a
Yiyo
situation.
mosi.
Because you have a title, friend, with benefits. Mamela, that's a situationship. A situationship is a romantic or intimate connection that exists without clear definition or commitment. It's more than just casual, but not quite a relationship either.
Just having
Yeah, but I call casual, ba. Etc. Kauzolala pa kum lale now. Pinduambi. Yeah, but it's not a relationship either. Yeah, you guys only shake each other exclusively, but still an relationship. There are feelings, time spent together, often emotional and physical closeness, but no labels, expectations, or long-term agreement.
Yeah.
So ke ngoku itikum, ne? Itikum, the tricky part of a situationship is that the situationship can feel good in the moment, but often lead to confusion, anxiety, and imbalance. Especially if the expectations are openly discussed. If you want, I can break it down. And break it down, Gemini. You are the situationship. I did right up on Koi. So then there's this friends with benefits. Eating with friends with benefits is a setup where two people who are friends have a sexual relationship, but without romantic commitment. We are friends. That was not a situationship. Was it?
Yeah, we've been going situationship now.
That was not a situationship. That was a friend. I'm making I was making an example. But there's a friend, then there's a situationship. Yeah. So
no friend now?
Not now.
Not now. Yeah,
Oh.
You can I'm sorry, guys.
No, it's fine.
Understand.
So a situationship because it can lead to confusion, anxiety, and imbalance. Because if friends with benefits, I know Yole is my friend. Yole come over for me. Be right. One. Why you catch? Why? Jani.
Iyakwazi uzenzekela automatically, like if feelings develop feelings. But if I feel like xa develop feelings, suzinqamela xa uzikhangela, because ziyakwazi maybe zizifade within a week. So laa nto sithi
Ngiyamthanda lo mfana. And sometimes, let's not be shy to say it, you could just be in love with the sex. Nothing else. Nothing else. No, let's not confuse feelings for lust, guys. Because you can say, no, ndiyamthanda, and no, you love the feeling he gives you when y'all are shagging. And it's okay. And it's okay. But don't say it's love. It's lust. Niyakhanukana qani. Right? Please. So yeah, that's what I wanted to get a specific. And I didn't say up on Funuba Kona Chom. But but it's okay. But I'll never understand, because I feel like abanda situationship are usually the most people abathandanai. They just they fail to admit it to each other. But bro, I like you. Yeah, but and I wanna be with you forever and ever until. Amen. Ndiyabawula uyenza la nto yosecaweni ka-ayo le ka-Ave Maria qha ndikwazi uyenza. Ndiyabawula nyhani uyenza. Ikhona into ntombi ka-Maria
Maria.
Yeah, Amaria. Ndiyabawula.
Anozayazi so.
Ndawuze ndiyazi ngenye imini. Kudala ndihamba la cawa ngoku noko.
Nini?
Hayi tsho mina ndicawa yini?
Nini?
Ndizawuyeva nge-Easter.
Kudala ndambicawa.
Wambicawa wena? Ndhlala phaa eBhek tsho.
No.
Ndhlala phaa eBhek.
Oh, shame.
Hayi, nasecaweni yamba ncama.
Yazi into ndinqake akwazanga uxoka because ngihlala eBhek. Hlala eBhek. So
what if mna ndiya kwi-service? What if mna ndiya kwi-service yakusasa wena uya kwi-service yasemini?
there's only one service.
Uyezela phi ndimo hlale kwesi strato saseRoma uhlali apha wena? Uhlala ngapha.
Uyafonisa
Komakhulu wami useCam kwaseRoma.
Yo.
And kudala sakhonza pha.
Yanifika sanke.
So can you no Tabini ayazi Tabini.
Ayole kha
Tabini can
ngithethelele.
back me up.
Ayole. Yale. I was at your church this Sunday.
Shit.
Bianca, ndakugqibela mna ungena eRoma. Hand on date, was it the 21st kaJuly kusenzo matye ekhaya?
Yeah, ndagqibelela mindi ungena pha.
Ndagqibela mini ukubona ungena pha ecaweni. My bad.
Beta ngasana ukuva inyanza. But in Khonza Assemblies of God. Saniyandlini ndidibanise neRoma. Andingomkatolika.
Bianca ndimbawelela iziyoni.
Andingomkatolika.
Wena kwenza?
Eziyoni.
Handiyekile.
Okwenza ziyona?
Nesizathu esikhulu.
Yima. Wawuspina igushesha.
Ndiza pha yohasa.
Yima okay, ndifuna ubuza.
Khona enye funeral sasikuyo.
Ndifuna ubuza yima.
Yomzayo.
Ndifuna ubuza something.
Joka kathethe.
Ndifuna ubuza into endandiyivile.
Okay.
Yima
Isihlangu sitheni?
Semnyango.
Oh, asiyazi.
Andiyazi but
Okay.
ndifuna ubuza ne something ne.
Ayiwa.
Kuthiwa ne eziyoni.
Ndifuna ukubuza nami ngecawa yakho.
Kuthiwa eziyoni. Even naye ngiyansaya lo ndanayo. No,
number-
ngizoba nazo zonke
Hayi,
answers. Umzekelo
answer
lo Messi. Okay, kuthiwa eziyoni ne. Xa usiya ecaweni awukwazi utya ibhoka. Because like
Awuyiki mos. Akayiki kwa yena.
okay akayityi kwayena. Because kuthiwa andazi man inamadimoni into ndike ngokuxa uspina phana.
Hayi
So ndaqala ubuxoki.
Iyo.
Awungeni ngentloko uyintombazana awufaki macici.
Also no jewelry.
Okay.
No lashes, no
So
makeup.
nyanzelekile
Uyanjani nge-nose ring?
Ndiyangena ke ngayo. Andizuyikhuphela bona kaloku.
Hey, ulandela imiyalelo yecawa.
Juni.
Ndifuna ukubuza.
Okay. Into kukhona lokuthatha isiguqo. Ayibona mina uvala icango ke. Phuma amadimoni abantu pha and awuphumi ke ngoku angeni imoya angeni kuvalwa yonke into. Khangela umoya womuntu.
jikelezwa nyani.
Jikelezwa nyani ke ngoku.
Uthina Sinovuyo idonle.
Asuba ndiyayibulala
Hayi
man.
la bisenzeka pha kaMncwabo. Kake bingeso siguqo esiya.
So isiguqo kuthini kuyaculwa?
Kuyaculwa.
Kujikelezwe kuvalwa iminyango imifestile kucinywa amakhandlela.
Abacinywa
Oh.
ayala kukhona kukhangelwa umoya.
Yo.
Kukhangela umoya omdaka okanye umuntu onokwazi unceda icawa.
Kukhangela umuntu onokwazi unceda icawa, kukhangelwa lo muntu nomoya omdaka. Kuchazwa yonke into mhlambi sange.
So ingathi kusentlombeni.
Kujikelezwa kuculwa. Mhlambi lo mfundisi.
Oh.
Akukhombe kuyo okanye aze kuwe straight.
Yeah.
Uyakuluma akuthatha kulahle lo ndawo ubeka phambili. Akuthaya vela azokuthatha nje uzawuvela azokuxelela indaba zakho basange.
You were destined for great things.
No, sange ukulumile kaloku. Ndibona into emdaka kuwe kwathi. Ngubani kowenu? Khona banjalo. Ngubani kowenu?
Angeli.
Uthi hayi uyintoni? Okanye vela athi ngubani? Uzicingela ba hayi man. Yayi best friend yami kwathi apha umnike ndoni ngexesha elithile ngedate ethi. Bakhona banjalo abafundisi. Uthethe wena athi into yakho ethi uvalwe ngubani?
Yo.
Kunje nanje. Athi Bianca.
Ndiyeziyona.
Wena kwathi mhlawumbe atsho ke ba you were destined for greatness. Bolungisa into zakho kuthini. Uyayibo izinto ezinjalo. Ukhangela into ezinjalo.
Ndiye.
That's great.
Ndiye.
Ukhangela yaba imali iziyona guys.
Ndiye.
Khasibuyiswa kukuma.
Anina zitulo?
Zikhona but asihlale ezitulweni.
Hayi buza kanjani esitulweni uspina.
Sipini mama koko. Uhaska. Hey bana ngafuthe.
Spina.
Mna yazi wenzamgezela. Ngizambuza. Hey, ewaziye emngcwabeni waseziyuni of our former friend. Kanti uThomi yethu lo ewe sasingayazi ba shem bekhonze eziyuni during his days. Xa sisithi pha usisi wakho wakhula azithe we today izihlangu. Unxibe ilokho ende kodwa wayo John uspina zonke pha mase.
Hayi.
Inyawo zakhe caba zabe zikuhlungu usisi wakho. Kodwa wayipha. Kodwa so hayi. Anomsendaweni.
Andiziva John.
Anokusa.
Yabona noba ndingaya kwenye iziyone engeyiyo le yami. ndive ingoma yakhona abayimnandi
Emmanuel.
bethe nawe
Kaloku benza loo nto.
baleke ungathi afloatani tsebe.
hayi
Yabona le?
zohlukile kaloku
Hey, le?
Xothoza le
Xothoza.
Oh like
Ewe.
hayi le baleke ungathi afloat.
Khona babalekayo.
babetha ngomlomo bona kuthiwa ixothoza
Oh
ezocawa then yotho sendingenise cawa
Mna before sibe siyaguda.
but andisafuni uyakuleya cawa funeka ndikhangela izweni right
Except Bafethu, don't forget to book your favorite MC, your promoter, your presenter, your performer at your event, and let's make your event a success at Jaguar Entertainment. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Dango.
mhlawumbi kwezi cawa zosindiswa ne kuthiwa funeke afunelwe umyeni kwasecaweni yakhe
I can attest to that.
ecaweni
I can attest to that.
Why?
Usino brother obesanochata ufumene intombi yakhe phaa ecaweni, and he engaged within 6 months, and then within another 6 months wabe uyachata. We were attending a wedding ngoDecember.
remember ungibalisela ngalo
Congrats.
Congrats kuwe bhuti. Uyazazi.
uyakhethelwa
awukhethela.
okanye
Uya-
hayi abakhethelwa kuthiwe wena ndibawelela unyana wam
Hayi phaa e-assembly.
hayi angathi
Shame.
ambawelela unyana.
Hey,
Umbawela aserongo ke.
Say off.
Andithi siyakhana mos ngitheni mos uzambawela nje. Hayi
So it's like phaa ecaweni uyatsho uyaphaa kwi-ministry kwi-vestry uthi ndibone usister bani and I would like to approach her in a romantic relationship, then abizwe yena ngawo batatazi bezi-elders yezo sister lowo ungekho wena mpropose andithi ngumproposwa yena umproposwa abizwe athethwe naye ube uyavuma bakavuma then hard luck for you.
So-
But yeah,
Guys,
then kuchatwe
uyaqulelwa.
yaqulelwa
antsinto ifika engqondweni let's say belela xesha lothwalwa elala kudala do you think besawulunga
no.
esinabayeni yazi loo nto
No, I don't think, and I feel like it was such a very bad tradition layer in
Yeah.
because ibimosha future yabantu. Kukho abantu abathwalwayo guys, like kuthiwe yabo mhlawumbe intanga kamama umakhulu wami kukho umakhulu wami owasindayo ekuthwaleni kwalapha kwesi strato wathi ezibuyele esikolweni waxhilwa kulomzi kwathiwa kwakhutshileta kulomzi ezapha endlini ba ulapha endlini ke and siyamthatha ngolu hlobo ngunkosikazi wethu kuthiwa utata
benza rongo bona
kuthiwa
Yeah,
utata
it's
kuthiwa kulaa nto
very
kaloku
wrong.
kuthiwa kulaa nto uqala unyana achaze kowabone ba
ndifuna ubani
ne angangumfazi wam uBianca bantu bakowabo baza koBianca Bianca uya awukho wena Bianca siyamfuna ntontontontonto kukhuthe lo mali
Yeah, bayi-
lobona fast wena Bianca uzothunya iparafini awuzilibazisa kwazenzela kanti ukacela ucinga ngabantu abayothenga abaya qithi
still it still brings that shock factor kuwe kaloku ekugqibeleni because wena mthwalwa ndawutsho
uyangena kulo mzi faka emveni kwecango nazi impahla awu
kusekutheni
Ugityiselwa amadaki.
yanceda
utheni bengandixeleli at least
At least,
I would appreciate an arranged marriage ndikhona kunoba kuthiwe ndiyathwalwa because in arranged marriage it's like uyaxelelwa wajonga ke mntanam by the certain age of 13 uzawutshatela kwabani sisivumelano sitsho okay kube kuwe bawufuna uyafuna that's your business but uyaxelelwa ukhula uyazi like in the Indian culture they baxelelwa bese bancinci ba jonga wena Naidu uyotshatela kwaGavenda as soon as 18 kwaGavenda upha uyeva sharp akuthandiswa ku
18 years una 13 upha
akuthandiswa ku uyayotshata pha
At least yakwazi ukufumana
At least
ixesha loba
uyayazi,
yazipreparishe yalungise
Ukuthwala-
ne-mindset yakhe ya.
ukuthwala is
Ukuthwala, man.
evil. I feel like yilento ndithi yena waxelelwa ngabantu I think waxelelwa ngabantu bestrato man ba yewethu intombi yakho ithwelwe phaa kwabanibani andizoyixela ngokuloo fani because noko sesifana nabo ngoku so baya phaa utamkhulu womthatha wathi hey andikhuliseli nina mna andikhuliseli nina yebo ma ke ngoku kuthi gqi mhlawumbe kukho kuloo tata kuloo family structure ungenatata mhlawumbe ungenamqolo uzawuvuma nje yonke into what about i-future yomntana
okay
future yomntana
Akakhathali.
uyabona umakhulu wami ngoku
yena efumana
is a
izinto,
whole
efumana
like
izinto,
is a
efumana-
whole yebo
Kaloku unalantu uba is going to
Ufumana
benefit.
the
Yeah.
family but lento nditshoyo uba
abale khuthaza
at the-
intana ba uzale ke kulo mzi
at the end of the day yabona umakhulu wami ngoku is a lecturer
yeah
I don't think she would have achieved such things if she survived kuthiwe
utata okay zangayomthatha
Yeah.
ekuthwaleni
Yo, damn.
yebo so umthwalo
Bebangasoze bamnikele freedom wayifumanayo.
exactly yofunda because kaloku imfundo was also intoba hayi uzayithini imfundo intombazana uyi-homemaker xa uyintombazana yebo uzawuhlala endlini uzale uthini uclean upheke ayikho enye into that you're good for you can't be an engineer an architecture or anything else a doctor uyinto yentengentenge nje wena
Yo kodwa ayidizi mindset yakudala. Ayidizi.
gqithi wena uhlala ekitchen
Yeah.
Sancede sabakhungu.
and sekuncedile in a way the new gen I love how we are
Hayi toyito hayi khona.
every day
Hayi esikobility for yona.
every day you're fighting for your life
Hayi singahlala sicofe phone too.
you can't uzawubapha uMeta you see
Oh damn.
where's Meta where's Kimi Claude whatever
Yeah, wena.
yeah ibona lo ziphi makeup ziphi TikTok baphosima baliva i-podcasts where are podcasts so in a way I feel like as much as abantu bengathanda ubona ba the new gen is growing but i-new gen comes with a whole lot of different things as i-improvement as i-development for youth ewe sine-careers ezingaqhelekanga ezi-unorthodox and ingathi abazali bethu ngebeziqhela because not everyone is going to be a nurse a police a man a woman a lawyer asizobe sizitishara sigonna pursue creative workspaces because
Sasityisa lento yenzayo.
kubani u-C nandibuza qho bangubani C as long as iphefumlisa
Ndibhale ngalamzuzu. Because bandicingile. Ifikile apha enhloko ndabamba nje ipenda bhala nje lento engicinga ubhala ngayo. Amagama. Sengijafile.
kaloku
Abantu ba izasityisa lento yenza.
suyicinga because lando nditshoyo abantu they had their time they had their fuck ups now they should always let you have I am glad that ndinomakhulu or open minded and ndiyabulela that isikolo kuye sesanendaweni ninzi wafundisa psychology nentoni to understand umntana and indlela akhula ngalo and stuff so her letting me do my own things and having my own mistakes angabe endihleli up thank you very much because in the end ndibe ngumuntu endinguye namhlanje creative or grand obomba I could do this I could do that and I can do anything uyabo as long as I set my mind to it ndisakwazi uyenza and akho ndizanqanda uyabo so yena she promoted that thinking so nawe promoted thinking elapha kuwe ethi I can do anything and you'll do it and then uzaba grand and anyone speaking about anything and anyone, get 27, please catch us at the Career Expo, hosted by the Miss Fabulous Dinewo Matroko. Yes, uzabe ephayana eMoses Dwebe, esithi ilwa nezolo lakho. Kuzabe the guests as fanano Sam Pelo, bani kupelo, Sam Kupelo.
Anazi uphelo.
I think uphelo Sam wayifunde kuyasa I think wayifunde kuyasa mase uPedro animazi uPedro
Just open the
Hayi yabona lento ngamazi ke ngoku.
Just open the thingy uzoyibona lento.
ayibafuna abantu abasawa slow
Asikusilobo basimazi. Asemazi.
yeah guys anibalekanga ani nibalekanga
Vele wethu. Mhlambe ndibona imbonile ndalibali.
ay man ngena abantwini abarongo okay kuzabe ngafuna ndithobe ivolume qala okay ingxaki ine sound
Ingathi nje yamzana.
so kuzabe kukho ucareer program director is Mr. Onwaba Fasi yes wayifunde vaga okanye ufunde vaga there will be Mr. Vusi Mba he will be handling aviation marine and engineering studies last year YCT there's 4 careers there's 4 ndondon but kukho i-careers zomoya i-careers zesemhlabeni i-careers zasemanzini yeah it was very nice there's also Miss Bulelwa Nhlola turning dirt into money I guess kuzabe kwi-agriculture Phelo Sam a software engineer so yeah kuzabe kukho no Akhanya Madikane a contractor Xolani Tekana small business owner. And this will all be proudly sponsored by Nature Plan Water, Baza Photography. I don't know the other brand and Ian Hlupa, that I don't know the other brand. And also the Culture Convo podcast data. Sizabe sipha busy. Siyo coverisha aba uyonikwa payana. Basically it's just you getting a view and overview of there's so many careers in the world.
Yeah.
You don't have to fall with spectrum say so don't. Yeah, but there was last year there was Asa Chando with Miss Aurora Rise for Women. There was also a guy SIU Special Investigations Unit, of which Nankona Jay Funala career. Anything with numbers. There was also ubuti apho kokuthiwa uyalima uthengisa i-veg yakhe to the biggest wholesalers, which is your ShopRite, your Checkers.
Wow.
It was so many careers. But why enqabe ushoti ubonakala sabanyani he's a
ngathi ngolapha man damala malapra man posta qid ku Facebook
wayephayana naye. And there were so many people, man, covering different careers. And it was fun. It was college, but I did attend and I got a lot of information. But busy not check so coverisha live. But I don't think we ended up doing it. But this year, you'll catch us there. Live. Live. So buza the most important questions as we always do. But yeah, as continents, man. A continents. Also, another one. As usual, Sipa, we are shooting live. Kwamoko Sports Tournament, the 5th annual. Sipizi. We'll be shooting live. So yeah.
That's a problem. Yeah.
So yeah, guys, make sure to follow all of our socials, all of our engagement. Oh wow. Okay, I'm getting a whole new notification. Oh guys, Koko Dimbaza Shek Theatre. Ndondon. Nancy. Get 28 March 2026. Dimbaza. Umkhulu inyanga yami kaloku endlondlo. Endlondlo. Khayelitsha Art School and Rehabilitation Center, KCRC. Dimbaza Shek Theatre DST with which is the Department of Arts and Culture, presents Dimbaza Comedy Night, 5 to 7, #Makohlekwe, #Laugh Out Loud. And we will have the likes of Usiya Seya, Liya Ngaba. Also, they have added Uphanjile. You. Hi. Tifuna mna sicule hina iyeza. Jovi, yona episode 1 bulela kashuka mama. Ngexesha gowayo and into nithanda uyicula no Zayn, umuntu wengoma. Uthi ukuthi yazibilile tayizandla zakho uthi have cula man. Ayo braz. So okay, yeah, esabe Dimbaza Shek Theatre ezabalaza park lapho zinhle manje ndithetha lapho zishayinayo yona yodwa. Yodwa Dimbaza Shek Theatre ekhoyo. The tickets will be 150 Rand. Also available at the door too. Also available at Web Tickets. So don't forget to check that and don't miss out, guys. Sabe siyohleka past yothi haha smell out. I can win. So yeah, Beko. Hi, Dimkhulu. Again, Dilap. Pinde Khayelitsha Art School and Rehabilitation Center with also the Dimbaza Shek Theatre with a Department of Sports, Arts and Culture presents Dimbaza Cultural Creative Arts Festival. #Shek Theatre launch lebesimenywa kuyo.
Oh. Inini ke ngokuya?
Uyawakhalaza kusisi wakho basimenywe endleleni.
Hayi kaloku noyenza lento sithi sizolengede. Hey, hi, you know what? Sine launch.
It's unprofessional.
But just manje, what if lento bejithetha, what if ebengaslindelanga aqonda damn masenibacela ngoku. And uyabona nawe beshem ubhuti wabantu beyina rush. So thank you Bhuti Masole for the notification. Sabe sine comedians, poets, storytellers, sino art and music and craft 27th to 29 March 2026. Dimbaza, Shek Theatre, of course. Sponsors zabo ke zikhona ntontontonton zininzi gqithi ngasekhaya andizazi nam. But ke bazabe bepha. So yeah, ingase nibe ready man. Because mina ndifuna ubona uphanjile ke ngoku. Manyani. Ndizothi So okay, yazi ninzi izinto. Much is jam packed and believe that the Culture Convo will be there to cover every aspect. Kuyasetyenzwa tata. #makuhlekwe, #makusetyenzwe, #wonke umuntu ndicela aphangele ngexesha linzima. Critical but stable. So yeah. I undead. So okay guys, luhlobo esigodi kangalo olo. Siqale i-episode with bad news zobuJack uyahamba but Psyche akahambi. Asadlala hayi uthi akayindawo wo. Yeah.
So conference like this.
Chomi bese sithi makabuye. Chomi siyagoduka masifuna sibuye. So okay, yeah. Don't forget to engage with us on our social media, being TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and also the YT page that you'll be watching us on every Sunday at 6 p.m. And on TikTok, we are the Culture Convo Corner. Instagram, we are the Culture Convo Podcast. Also, Culture Convo Podcast on Facebook. You also Facebook. Also and YouTube. Yeah. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends ne-ex yakho noba usakufuni man sithi wena mobukela apha kuthethwa ngawe naye azosibukela afumane views but sizawube kubona uyasithanda share notatakho noba akawakubaleka. It's okay. Commenta ndase we'd like to see when you engage. And also please don't forget to the 10 days of subscriptions is yaphela on the 20th, so there will be a giveaway. It's either win a trip to Moko, a sweater, a t-shirt, ininzi, injalo. And as a Culture Convo Podcast, the CT, don't forget to pray, believe, and live. Siyakushia ngolu hlobo. Bye sis.
Ranza.
Ngamandla.